2008 Pontiac G6. I'm going to show you how to do the oil change in this baby. Alright. But if you have a car between 2005 and 2009, then this video is for you. Okay. Here's the latch. You see what's good over here? This is how you open the hood. Okay. It's right here. Just pull it like that. You're gonna need this kickstand, okay? Now, engine oil cap. It's gonna tell you what type of oil it takes. Okay, 530. There you go. Oil dipstick. Here it is. This is the oil filter right here. It also tells you the torque specification, 25 Newton. Okay. So it's right here. Can you see? See right there. All right, windshield fluid reservoir, motherboard, battery, fuse pods, ABS, brake fluid reservoir, coolant reservoir, engine oil filter right here. These are the ports for the AC. This is the low, this is the high port. Not much in the back. Alright, let's drain this oil. Which one you want to do? Let's open this first. Alright, let's get the oil filter. You're gonna use 32mm socket. This is shallow. Okay. Part number. There you go. That's a brand. You can get it from Amazon too. Okay. 32. Should go right there. Alright. Did I say this is a 2008 Pontiac G6? I'm gonna use a big extension, 3/8 with a swivel, okay? And the socket I just showed you. There you go. Turn it counterclockwise. Okay. Should be good. Do it by hand now. It's gonna leak some, but you know, clean after yourself. There you go. That's how this thing look like. Down here where everything is beautiful. Oil trim plug. Transmission oil, paint. Okay, we're gonna do this. I think it's 12 or 13mm. Alright, let's do that. Yeah, it's gonna be, let me see, 13mm socket. Alright, hopefully it doesn't touch my camera when I remove the Yes, no, what you think? You gonna touch it? I don't think so. Here we go. What you think about that oil? Can I go another 3,000 miles, 5,000 miles? Let me know. Put it in the comment box. Check this out, though. It has a magnet here. Watch, I'm not lying, watch. Alright. 2008 Pontiac G6. Get it straight. Well, I change the oil filter. Now I'm gonna let it drain too. Let's change this oil filter. Let's change this oil filter. Just like that. Then the oil ring over here. Okay. This is a new oil filter. Just set it there. a new oil ring. Just like that. A little bit with some oil. Gucci. Okay. Right, let's pull back the oil drain plug. 13mm socket, you know. Right there. That's good. So we're gonna put the new filter. Alright. Hey, if you want to see the tools that I'm using for this project, right below this video there's a window. Sorry, it says view products. So you have up to 30 items per video, okay, to check out. You know, I'm gonna put like the oil filter tool, ratchet, socket set, everything you need for this project, okay? And some extra stuff too, like a rag, brake cleaner, hand cleaner. Alright, just so you know. Alright, grab the funnel. Let's get the oil. 530. Right, I'm gonna pour 4.5 quarts, okay? 5W30, 4.5 quarts, alright? And we go from there. Okay, once I pour the 4.5 quarts regular oil, 5W30, I'm gonna start the car. I'm gonna remove the funnel, put the engine oil cap back, start the car, let it idle for a minute, and shut it down and check the level. And start it now. It's running right now. It's running right now. This is how the dipstick look like. Okay, it's supposed to be right here. It says max. Minimum, max. I'm gonna shut it down. Alright, let's see. We need some more. I'm gonna pour the other half. Okay. Let's see. Way better. It's right there to the max. 5 quarts. It takes 5 quarts. Put the oil dipstick back. Remove the funnel. Engine oil cap. That's pretty much it with this baby. Alright guys, this is it. It's a 2008 Pontiac G6, but if you have a car between 2005 and 2009, then this video is for you. The tools that I use is down here. It says view products. You know what to do with it. Check it out. You might find something you like. Then don't forget to show your appreciation. And as a return of kindness, you know, hit the super thanks button. Is it here? Hit the super thanks button down here. It looks like a heart. It says super thanks. Click on it, go through it, do your thing, show your love. You know what I'm saying? Shout outs to all the subscribers. Thank you for the love. I hope you like the new intro. Alright? I do. Okay, I'm gonna leave it right here. This car has 39,000 miles, just so you know. Okay, I'm gonna leave it right here. Thank you for watching. Highlight your boy. Stu, boom, clocking out. Yeah.